Hello, this week I decided to start building another theme. For the time being, I'm going to call it Block Theme. I wanted to have a theme visualizing the potential of the electrons only with the high of the electrons, because I didn't set the waypoints at all significant game objects yet. The path objects are having some bugs and they are not getting visualized the way they should. But at some objects here you can see how the principle would look like. I managed to program the function generating those paths. And that's all for this week. Thanks for watching.